Good evening, this is Divya. Today is 11 June 2021, Friday. Let's see today's news headlines. The official death toll in India's disastering second wave of COVID-19 has crossed 2 lakh. India has reported more than 2.5 lakh deaths since 1st March, which translates to an average of more than 2,000 deaths every day. Johnson's announcement on the eve of G7 leaders summit in England came hours after Biden committed to donating 500 million COVID-19 vaccine doses and reviewed a coordinated effort by the advanced economy to make vaccination speedily available everywhere. Indian American Congress Raj Krishnamurthy has said that donating 500 million doses of anti-coronavirus vaccine to the world, as promised by President Joe Biden, was not enough and the United States should do more in the global fight against the pandemic. By the end of this week, Delhi government will get at least 19 more oxygen plants to keep the capital prepared to fight the next COVID-19 wave, if any. An annual solar eclipse occurred on June 10, 2021. In India, eclipse was visible only in some part of Arunachal Pradesh and Ladakh for a few minutes before the sunset. India reported 91,702 new COVID-19 cases, 3,403 deaths in last 24 hours. The country is still reporting the most cases globally. Google Doodle on Friday marked the beginning of UEFA European Football Championship, wishing luck to all the competing teams. The delayed Euro 2020, which finally begins on Friday, is a year behind schedule, with COVID still set to cast a shadow over the tournament. Now UP News. As many as 28 or over one-third of the total 75 districts in Uttar Pradesh are left with less than 100 active COVID cases. Only two include Lucknow 505 and Gorakhpur 516 has more than 500 active cases. The state government has listed death by drowning as a disaster and the victims' families will be eligible for compensation ₹4 lakh under the state disaster relief fund. Death by suicide will not be considered for compensation. Now 8 news. On Wet Amavasya, women observe fast and worship Wet Savitri, prayed to God for the long life of their husband. The sultry summer is making people restless. On Thursday morning, the wind blew and the sky was cloudy, due to which people get some relief. Now weather forecast. India reported 28 degrees Celsius mostly cloudy. Lucknow 30 degrees Celsius fog. Delhi 33 degrees Celsius haze. Mumbai 27 degrees Celsius cloudy. Kolkata 33 degrees Celsius mostly cloudy. Chennai 32 degrees Celsius cloudy. One important notice: COVID-19 is not over yet. We must continue to protect ourselves and each other. Wear face mask and wash your hands regularly. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye. See you soon. Thank you.